Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you some amazing beauty tips and amazing masks and uses of aloe vera gel. Number 1, you can use aloe vera gel for clear skin. You have just to do that. You have take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix lemon in it and apply it on your face for 15 minutes. You can see the best clear skin results. Second, aloe vera to clear acne overnight. Aloe vera kills the bacteria that cause acne and has anti-inflammatory property which soothes the skin. Mix few drops of tea tree oil in pure aloe vera gel, apply on the affected skin and leave it overnight. You can see the best results. Number 3. Aloe vera turmeric magic for dull skin. You can use turmeric powder or aloe vera gel. You can mix both of them for dull skin and you can see rub it on your face and you can see the best results within a week. Number 4. You can use aloe vera gel, grow eyelashes and eyebrow using aloe vera. Use a clean mascara wand to gently apply some pure aloe vera gel on your lashes and eyebrows before going to bed. Within 3 months, you can see the best results of eyelashes, growing eyelashes. Number 5. Aloe vera for dark circles. Aloe vera gel contains various nutrients, compounds, and healing properties. Hence, its extracts are used in dark circle remover products. You can just do